our dear subscribers! My name is Valerie and I'm a coach at IT Genius Online School. Today I'm going to show you how you can create cool cut the rope game in Scratch. Are you ready? Let's go then! Today we are working on the Cut the Rope project and you will learn how to apply the pen extension in Scratch and how to make the pendulum move. First, we need to upload these sprites. You can find and download them in the description below this video. So click on the Upload Sprite button and choose your sprites. And same for the background. We don't need first one. And for the background we need to select it and make it bigger. So resize on the right and on the left. Yeah, that's better. So we don't need kitty sprite, so we can delete it. And I'll change something for the Om Nom costumes. So now we have 6 costumes of this sprite and we need to divide them. To make it, we need to duplicate main sprite 6 times to have 6 costumes. And we need to select all costumes except first one and delete them. And we need to put main costume on the center of the screen. Yeah, got it. So let's add name for this costume, like normal costume. Normal. Yeah. So for the second, we need to delete first one and others. Costumes and put main sprite on the center of the screen. Same, I will call it close eyes. Okay, for the third, same for the other sprites. So opened mouth. And here we don't need first line. So I will call it sadness or sad. Oh, here is it. And 18 yeah, done. So, and for the Om Nom sprite we need to add code to make it more interesting, not only sitting here. And we can change size by 50 to make it smaller. Yeah, better. And when we click on the flag, it will forever change costumes. but only normal costume and the costume with the closed eyes. So switch costume to normal. Then wait let it be 0.2 seconds. Then again switch costume, but to the closed eyes, and wait 0.2 seconds. Oh, that's too fast. Maybe 0.5? Or 1 second? Oh yeah, that's much more better. Okay, let's change size for the candy too. In the size for the star. Okay, and let's draw another sprite. This is a rope that the candy is hanging from. So to do that, let's click on the paint button, and we need to choose a line. I want to use brown color and size equals 10. So, and we need to draw it from the center of the screen to the right side. Yeah, done. So this is a rope. Okay, so now we need to put the rope on the center of the screen. So to make it, we need one flag clicked block. Then let's put it here. So first coordinate will be 0 and 0, and second will be like 200. Let's try to make it on the top. And we need to use go to block to put it on these coordinates and show. So appear. Then it will forever point towards candy. Point towards candy. Go to the candy. So you see? Okay, then also we need to create one more sprite. This is a cursor which we will use to cut the rope. I'll just draw a dot on the center of the screen. So paint. I wanna use light blue color. So I like it. So just a dot. Yeah, done. So this is a cursor sprite. Yeah, and in order to animate and use the cursor, we need to add a special extension, pen blocked. So to do that, we need to click on the right button and choose pen extension. And now we have special blocks. So now let's add movement for the cursor. When we click on the flag, cursor will forever go to the mouse pointer. So go to the mouse pointer. Yeah, so now we can cut something using the mouse. And also when we click on the flag, we need to set color for the pen. Set pen color to, I want to use same color as the cursor, so yeah. Then I want to change size of the pen to 5 to make it bigger, but you can choose your own number, your own size. And then forever we need to make pen down and wait some seconds, for example 0.2, and then let's see, now we can draw something, but that is not so good. I think we can erase everything after that, erase all. So, and we have magic cursor now. Okay, now let's go to the rope. When rope touches the cursor, it will fall down. So to do that, we can do if the rope touching color light blue, in my case, touching color of the cursor. Then we need to broadcast message cut. Now all sprites can know that we need to cut. We cut the rope and candy is fallen down. Then repeat 20 times. Change ghost effect. We needed to help rope disappear and then hide. Yeah, let's try. Yay, disappearing. Okay, cool. Now let's make dinosaur open his mouth when it's near candy. So to make it, let's go to the dinosaur, to the Om Nom sprite. And when we click on the flag, it will go to this position to not move somewhere else. And forever, we need to check distance. So if distance to candy, distance we can find in sampling blocks, distance to candy sprite is less than 90 pixels, 90, then dinosaur can open his mouth. So switch costume to opened mouth. Yeah, let's try. We can take candy and put it near dinosaur and back. Yeah, so that works. Then when dinosaur receives message receives message cut, it will just eat the candy. Now let's go to the candy and we can make it smaller to 15 and when candy receives message cut, it will fall down. So let's add it. We can do repeat until touching edge and touching color of the month of the dinosaur. So to make it, let's put the candy near Om Nom, and now we can choose this color. Yeah. So to join these touching blocks, we can use AND operator. Repeat until touching edge and touching color of the month. Okay, and to make it fall down, we can do change Y coordinate by -5. Okay, and by the way, we need to put the candy on the right place at first. So to make it, when we click on the flag, it will go somewhere. So let's put it on the center of the screen. And we need to make rope smaller. You can have different coordinates, that's only for me. So I just need to figure out what coordinates will be good for my code. Okay, I think that's better.
So it's a high time to take a small break after learning some important Scratch tools. I just wanted to remind you that if you want to create not only these but also other cool games, as well as improve your user skills or even work with difficult terms, then sign up for Scratch online classes in our school. With each lesson, as student moves forward, the project becomes detailed and more professional. Visit our website after watching this video and read more. And we are moving on.
Go to this position. Okay. Also, candy needs to go to the front layer. And show, so appear. Okay. Yeah, works. Okay, so repeat until touching. So let's change the color, maybe this color. Yeah, done. And then we need to also broadcast message it. Message it. So dinosaur will know how it can eat something. So let's go to the Om Nom sprite. And when it receives its message, so we need to change its costumes. So repeat 5 times. Switch costume to 18:1. Wait 0.2 seconds. And again switch costume to 18:2. Okay, let's try. Yeah, but also we need to stop other scripts in this sprite. To do that, we need to find the stop all block and change it, make stop other scripts in this sprite. We'll put it here. Now, oh, I got the problem. To the candy, color of the mouth will be here. And that's all for that. Yeah, so let's try again. Yeah, and candy needs to disappear, so hide after that. Yeah, so works. Okay, then when dinosaur eats candy, after that we can broadcast message. Next level. So if you want, you can create new levels for the dinosaur, but now we can add something for the stars here. And now let's create variable for the stars. We need to count how many stars catch. So let's make a variable stars. Let's go to the star sprite. And we can put first star somewhere here. But also we need 3 clones of this sprite. When we click on the flag, let's set variable stars to 0, cause at the beginning of the game we have no stars. We didn't catch any stars. And let's take original position of this sprite. That can be 0 and 0. Okay, cool. Then we need to repeat 3 times to have 3 stars and create clone of myself. And we need to put other stars below each one, so change x by -40. Let's try. And then we need to hide main sprite. Okay. Now we have 3 stars. Okay, cool. And we need to add script for the clones. So when you start as a clone, it will show, so appear, and forever. We need to check if it touches candy. So if cotton candy sprite. Then let's change stars variable by 1 and delete this clone. Let's try. Yes, it works. And now let's make game more interesting. To do that, let's go to the candy. Now we can add the condition. We can check if we catch 3 stars or not. So let's go to the control blocks. We can use if-else condition. If stars is less than 3, so we didn't catch 3 stars. Then we can broadcast message game over. Game over. Okay. And hide candy. And then broadcast it message and hide again. And we can put it in when receive cut. Okay, done. And now that's so easy to catch 3 stars. Let's make it more interesting. So we can add different movement to the candy called pendulum. So we can make pendulum movement to it. So to do that, we need to add extra variables. Make a variable. Make a variable. So we need variable amplitude. Time variable. And that's all. Also, we can add frequency variable, but that is not necessary for this. So we have special formulas from physics. We can change x and y coordinates in special way. So set x and set y. So by the formula, we need to use math operators, multiplication to the x, and subtraction and multiplication for the y. And we need to find special blocks with operators, and we need to use sinus, like sinus operator here. So here to x, we need to times amplitude to the series of the time. And for the y, at first we need subtraction, 180 minus, again special math blocks with absolute value and with cosinus. Okay, cosinus of the time times by amplitude variable and absolute value of this. Okay, like that. So let's try. Oh, but so what about coordinate for the candy? Oh, I know, we forgot to set original values to the variables. So for the amplitude, we need to add, let's try 130. Or then for the time, we need to set 0. And we need to change time. To make it, we need to add extra blocks. When we click on the flag, it will forever change variable time by 1 and wait 1 second. Yeah, so let's try now. Oh. So what's wrong? It goes, but not so fast. So let's see. Maybe let's change time by 5. So let's try now. Goes, but not so. Okay, let's delete. Wait 1 second and change by 2. Oh, now that's better. Okay, we don't need wait block for the changing of the time. Let's hide variable time and amplitude. We don't need them, I think. Now that more difficult game. Now you need to figure out where you can cut the rope to have it. Okay, and let's change something for the candy. So the candy needs to get down when touching color. So when I receive message cut, then change Y by -5. Okay, so what else? I think that we need to stop other scripts on the sprite here to stop to make candy stops. Okay, let's go to the stop all block, stop other scripts on the sprite, and let's add it here when I receive cut message. So let's try now. Yeah, done. So now we can't catch the candy, but when I try to catch here, yeah, done. So next level we can do, but let's add something for the Om Nom sprite. For example, we can add say block and say something when it's, for example, say cool or thank you. Cool. Thank you. For 2 seconds, and then next level if you want. Okay. Yeah, cool, thank you. Okay, cool. So I like this game. Also, we can add one more backdrop for the illusion of the game, or we can add sad costume to the Om Nom when we have game over message. So when I receive game over, then switch costume to sad, and also stop all. Okay, let's try. So also, if you want to make it work, we need to go to the candy and change this block. So repeat until touching edge or touching this color, because now that's gonna work. Let's try. Yes, oh no, we finished the game.
I hope you successfully completed making this cool game with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell under the video to follow the publication of our new videos. I will be very thankful if you write in the comments which videos we should post next. See you in our next videos. Bye bye!